Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I'm here to cook another great recipe. So today I'll be making potato balls with prawns, and I'll be using mashed potato to do this, and I've gone for the packet mash, and also I have some golden breadcrumb here which will be a part of the recipe. So it's really simple and easy, as you can see. I just have a few ingredients here. Sit back, watch and enjoy.
Trusted, and we are reliable. It's not the cooking. It's cooking. It's cooking. And more. 24/7. We're ready for you. It's cooking. And more. 24/7. We're ready for you. It's cooking and more. It's a place I love to go. Cooking delicious meal from around the world. Refreshing drinks, soothing feast, slanting and delightful smoothies. And this and more. It's cooking and more. It's a place I love to be. It's not a cooking. It's a place I love to go. We're tasted and trusted, and we are reliable. It's not the cooking. It's cooking. It's cooking. And more. 24/7. We're ready for you. It's cooking. And more. 24/7. We're ready for you.
Anne's Cooking and More. Cooking tasty and delicious recipes from around the world. Whether Jamaican, Nigerian, vegan, or vegetarian, you will be sure to find it on Anne's Cooking and More YouTube channel.
It's cooking. It's cooking. And more. 24/7. We're ready for you. It's cooking. And more. 24/7. We're ready for you. It's a place I love to go. Cooking delicious meal from around the world. Refreshing drinks, soothing feast, slanting and delightful smoothies. And this and more. It's cooking and more. It's a place I love to be. It's not the cooking. It's a place I love to go. We're tasted and trusted, and we are reliable. It's not the cooking. It's cooking. It's cooking. And more. 24/7. We're ready for you. It's cooking. And more. 24/7.
So there are my potato balls with prawns guys. So now I'm
Anne's
going to
Cooking
plate
and
up,
More.
and then you can
Tasty and
enjoy
delicious
these balls.
recipes
And as I
from
said, it's my
around the
very
world.
first time doing it guys,
Whether
and
Jamaican,
trust me, they are
Nigerian,
yum.
or
Just wait and see
You'll be
them
sure
on the
to find it
plate.
on
So
Anne's
very good
Cooking and More
guys. So
YouTube
that's
channel.
my prawns potato balls, and I'm serving it with a bit of sweet chili on the side. Guys, these taste nice. You hear the way I'm sounding in that. But let me just open one so you can have a look at that. Nice. You can see the cheese pulling away from it.